From small growing businesses to multinational corporations, Carrier Logistics have what you need to keep you ahead of the competition. We've been providing comprehensive freight management systems and professional guidance to multi-stop, multi-terminal transportation companies since 1972. FAX, our enterprise system, comes complete with online customer shipping tools, dispatch and driver management systems, dock, warehousing, and a full accounting and financial suite. Both hosted and traditional implementations are available. We know software, but more importantly, we understand the industry and the people who work in it. We've made it our business to help our customers become more efficient, more effective, and more capable of change. So if you're looking for dependable software from the premier transportation software provider, contact the expert. Contact CLI. Visit us at carrierlogistics.com or call us at 914-332-0300 for more information or to set up a personalized demo.